So the continue of structure of C, we are going to see about the control structures in C programming. So this is a DD stage of control structure. So it promotes the structures with a meaning and reasoning to make a decision making. So it's enhance the problem solving techniques, and it makes the more creativity, and it is very user friendly program. So what is the control structure? So let's going to see about the control structure. So control structure is a C determined of a flow of a program of execution. So they allows the program to make decisions and repeat the task and execute the statement in the specific order. So it will use one specific order. So I have given here sequential, selection order, and iteration. So the statements of control of flow of a program executions based on the conditions and loop. So the control structures controls the flow of execution in the program, and they determine how statements are executed. So why we are using this means it is makes more flexibility and efficiency and more problem solving capabilities in the programming. So this control structure acts as a decision making for a decision making means if we consider for checking the age. So after 18 only we have the rights for the vote for by using the concept, the age which is calculated is below 18, it is rejected, or otherwise it is selected for the voting. We can be make as a decision making, and repetition mechanisms also it's a process. So by using the structures, the program can respond with the different inputs and performs a calculation repeatedly and solves the real term world problems efficiently. So why these control structures are important means it makes decision making and repeat tasks and to reduce the code repetition and to improve the program efficiency. And by checking the by using this control structures, by checking the login password or ATM passwords, it's a main example. So we are just taking the withdrawing the amount in ATM machine. It immediately responds by generating an OTP or anything else, or a message, or message, when a message or OTP, it will be generated for us. So immediate action and response will be fast. If you log in, the login you have logged in this website or this system, it will be immediate. It will respond. So that a sequential, it's a manage the flow of executions with record of the method. So how this flow of control methods have been maintained: sequential control, iteration control, jump statement, and selection control. These are the four types of control structure statements which we are using here. So this control structures forms the foundation of programming logic and enable developers to create a dynamic applications. So next, first we are going to see about the sequential execution. So sequential execution, this is a statement which execute line by line. That is a sequential execution. So here, one after another in order they appear. So here they were represent that printf hello, and next is word, like that way. If I put A is 10 and B is 20, like that way, and C is A plus B, then output is will be the C. So the calculation of C will be calculated. So this is the simplest control structure. It's a very simplest control structure. So each statement executes exactly once the sequence of the it is suitable for straightforward tasks and such as calculations and input and output. So these variables where no decision makings and repetitions is required. So next we are going to see about the if statement. So the if statement executes a block of code by only with the condition is true. So the if the if statement is used for decision making, it checks the condition and executes the associated blocks only if the condition evolves to true. It is commonly used in the applications such as eligibility checking, validation, and access and control statement. So next we are going to see about the if-else statement. So if-else statement provides the alternative execution path. So here we have represents that if loop that is marked which is greater than 50, print pass, it is of, otherwise we have print fail. So else we have two methods here. This statement helps to choose between two actions. When the condition is true, if the block executes, otherwise the else block will execute. In if statement, it will be it will conclude, the execution will be stopped For else the condition otherwise also it will be executes to the other block. So it widely used in grading system, login verification, and result processing applications, like that way we have used here. And next is a nested if statement. So nested if contains another if statement which inside the if block. It is useful when multiple condition used to checked in sequence. So here we have using the age, that is positive, like the way it was evaluates in order. First truth wins. So this problem statement and the promoted evolutions where several criteria must be satisfied. So this next we are going to about switch statement. So this switch statement selects one block from multiple alternatives, and it improves the readability when several options exist. So common application includes menu driven programs and calculator applications, and ATM systems and command processing where user selects one options from many. So next is we are going to see about the loop, for loop, while loop, and do while loop. So looping structure repeat iterations. So this loop executes a block repeatedly based on the conditions. So it is essentially counting the data processing, searching, and report generation applications. So this is the jump statement. So jump statement here we can use the break, continue, go to, return, and best practice statements. So this is a key take points. So thank you.